Given fxy equals to x squared exponent to x minus 3y and gxy equals to 1 over x squared times fxy, f sub xy, plus 1 over 3 f sub y. Find G32. Alright, so if you can see here, in this gxy, there is f sub xy and fy. So before we can find G32, we need to find the f sub xy and f sub y. So for f sub x, we're going to use product rules. Why we need to use product rules? Because these are two different functions, x squared and exponent to x minus 3y, and it is in terms of product, so that's why we need to use product rules. So we know that product rules is uv prime plus vu prime, so this is product rules. Okay, so now let's use product rules now. So u is x squared and v prime. Differentiate 2x minus 3y with respect to x. We're going to get 2. So I'm going to write 2 in the front of x squared and copy down exponent to x minus 3y plus v. V is exponent to x minus 3y and differentiate x squared with respect to x. So it's going to be 2x. So I'm going to write down 2x in front of exponent to x minus 3y, which is 2x in the front here. Okay, so just before we start to differentiate with respect to y for the second order partial derivative, let us factorize first. Okay, so we have both 2x and 2x and also exponent to x minus 3y here. So we're gonna factorize that out. So we're left with x plus 1 because this is x squared here. So this x times this x will get the x squared, and we have taken out all to x exponent to x minus 3y. So we're left with 1. So let us differentiate our f sub x with respect to y. So if you can see here, this 2x and x plus 1 is going to be a constant. So I'm going to write this 2x x plus 1 in the front. Okay, so all we have to do is to differentiate exponent to x minus 3y with respect to y, because there's only y terms in this function. Okay, so if we differentiate to x minus 3y with respect to y, we're going to get a negative 3 because 2x is a constant, so differential constant is 0. So we have negative 3. So this negative 3 will times with the 2x x plus 1, we're going to get negative 6. Okay, so we have negative 6. Okay, so we copy down exponent to x minus 3y there. Okay, so now that is for f sub xy. So now let's find f sub y. So for f sub y, if I look at here, okay, x squared is going to be a constant. All we have to do is to differentiate this exponent to x minus 3y with respect to y. So x squared is a constant. Just write down your constant, x squared. Now differentiate 2x minus 3y with respect to y. We're going to get negative 3, then copy down exponent 2x minus 3y. So we have negative 3x squared exponent 2x minus 3y. So let us substitute into this gxy. Then later we're going to substitute with x 3 and y equals to 2. So we have 1 over x squared. Our fxy just now is negative 6x x plus 1 exponent 2x minus 3y plus 1 over 3 with times with the f sub y is negative 3x squared exponent 2x minus 3y. So let us simplify. So this is 1 over x squared here. This is x here. If we divide, we're going to get negative 6 over x plus 1 exponent to x minus 3y, and this is 1 over 3 times with this negative 3 here. We're going to get negative x squared exponent 2x minus 3y. So what else can we do here is we can factorize exponent 2x minus 3y times with negative 6x plus 1 divide with x minus x squared. So if we substitute g32 into the function, exponent 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 times 2 is also 6, which is exponent power 0. Exponent power 0, we know that it is 1. So negative 6 times, put the 3 here and 3. And also 3 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Divide with 3 minus 3 squared is 9. So we're going to get negative 8 minus 9, which is negative 17.